Hello students, after long time we are meeting. Today we are going to do the class of English. Topic is singular and plural. Basically the word singular and plural comes in terms of nouns. What is noun? Noun is a naming words. Basically the words, noun is a word that is used to describe the names of person, place, things, etc. Basically, so if one word definition of a noun, that is noun is a naming word. Here in case of singular and plural, there are two types. Basically singular stands for a single thing and for plural stands for many things. For example, I am giving you specifically concentrating on the definition, that is naming words. Basically the noun is a word that expresses a names of a place or a person or a thing, etc. Just right now I am using the chalk. Here I have two chalks in my hand. So when I am writing, I am using one and another one is placed in my hand. So same thing have a multiple numbers. So in case of single, that is when I am using one chalk, I can write it is case of singular, and when I am using more than one chalk, 2, 3, 4, that will become into the category of plural. For example, I am giving you an example. I have a pen and I have pens. Both sentences suggest that yes, I do have something. This is because I have a pen. Here in the first sentence, a pen, it is single. So we can say that it is an example of singular. And in the following sentence, I have pens means one red color pen and another blue color pen, 2 or 3 blue color pens, 4 or 5 red color pens. So I have multiple pens. So this sentence is an example of plural, that is many. So in terms of singular, we should keep in mind that it is used to suggest only one thing, and in case of plural, it is used to suggest many things. In the following two examples, it is about a boy named Shamit. Shamit has a puppy. Perhaps all of you, or I would say that most of you, love to see the puppies that are roaming around our outside surroundings, mostly in the roads in front of our house or beside our house. It's a pleasure sight to be. So right now Samit has a puppy. In the following sentence, I have given another example that Samit has puppies. So in both two cases, puppy stands for single thing, and in the following sentence, Samit has puppies, it suggests many. That is, the concept of plurality or multiple comes in this context. So in these four examples, 2 stands for single thing, that is singular, and the following 2 are for plurals. So it suggests multiple. Right now another thing I am going to tell you. So forming plural from a singular, we can add s, es, ies or other form to change it into plural. Here I am giving some examples of changing singular and plural. For the first example, that is pen, and when in terms of using pens, it becomes plural by adding s. In the following example, that is bus. It's a common way of traveling from one place to another. This bus, if bus is singular, we can make it plural by adding s. Okay. Next, in case of city, perhaps Bardhaman is a small city and Kolkata is a big city. When in terms about the cities of India, then it becomes plural by adding ies. And I am giving another point, that is by using other forms, that is man, one single man. Right now you can consider me as a man. If it changes to a plural form, then automatically entire form is changes. No other addition and alteration, neither as, yes or ies is added here, rather it changes its form and becomes a new word that suggests itself a plural thing, that is men. Okay. In second, that is woman, for a female person. Right now you are having in your houses your mothers, okay, your daughters or sisters, especially sisters, and your friends who are of opposite gender, mainly comes into the category of woman, that is female. In terms of single, that is woman, when it becomes a plural form, it becomes women, a completely different word, changes of the word, and ultimately it suggests a plural form. Next comes, that is child, means one single child. Perhaps all of you are come into the category of child. For us, you are a small beautiful creation of God's, that is your child. When you in our playground, that will be a very useful one. So it's a very common thing. So when we are coming into the points making singular and plural in types of forming sentence, if we are going to write a paragraph on our school, we have many things in our school to describe. So we should always keep in mind about the use of singular as well as plural in forming those sentences and write about the paragraphs. So keep in mind about transforming singular into plurals by adding es, es, ies and other form. In that way you can be better for understanding.